Hello students, welcome back to Pathshala. In today's session, we will going to discuss the response to stimuli. Means in what way or what is the pathway of response against a stimuli. So stimuli are two of the kinds. First one is external stimuli that we receive externally or from external environment, and another one is internal stimuli that we receive from our internal body environment. So there are basically two types of stimuli. First one is the external stimuli, and we also have the internal stimuli. So both these kind of stimuli are received by different kinds of sense organs, or the specifically the receptors that are present in different sensory organs. And after receiving both these kinds of stimuli by the receptors, the sensory neuron transmit these informations that are received by the stimuli to the central nervous system. The central nervous system then processed this kind of information that are received by these stimuli and give the order or give the reaction order to the motor neuron. Then the motor neuron transmit its signal to the effector organs to uh, to follow the pathway, or to order what to do against what kind of information that are received by those stimulus. So the effectors are of two kinds in our body. First one is the muscle, and second one is the gland. So we have muscle and glands that acts as an effector organ, and these two things together or sometime alone can do the response against, or specific rather I say specific responses against specific kind of stimuli. When the internal, so this is the pathway of the response to stimuli. So we have the external, internal both stimuli that are received by the receptors that we have in our sense organs, and after receiving these informations, the information is transmitted by the sensory receptor to the central nervous system. Central nervous system process these informations and give order to the effector organs to what to do against that, or what to exert different kind of responses against specific type of stimuli via the motor neuron. So motor neuron transmit those signals or transmit those order to the effector organs. We have two types of effector organs, muscle, gland. So these exert the responses, and if the stimuli is internal, not the external, because we can't control the outer stimuli or outer environment stimuli. So if the responses are exerted by the internal stimuli, then one mechanism goes that is known as the feedback mechanism. The feedback mechanism means if the responses are too much, then these nerves, then some of the nerves actually transmit the information to the internal stimuli organ, means internal organs, to stop these stimuli or to lower down the stimuli. So this reaction is known as the feedback mechanism. So this is the detailed pathway of the response to stimuli in human as well as in animal body. So thank you so much for today's session. In our next session, we will discuss the specific kind of neurons along with its structure. Thank you so much.